In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M23 and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this device. Begin by opening Play Store and getting free app called DevCheck device and system info from Floor to developer. When it's ready, launch it. And then, thanks to it, learn all the informations about your device's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and even sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!